This is the unboxing of the Autonomous.ai SmartDesk DIY kit, black. On the frame it says A55 SmartDesk platform, black. I don't know why the different names. Let's start with the basics here. We got some UPC number. It says lift on the bottom. Totally have it upside down. Oh, it's fragile, it can break. You don't want to get it wet, and it's 67 pounds, and for me it feels about like twice that much. It's pretty heavy. Let's see, I'm going to start slicing it here. Oh jeez. We got some good quality tape on here. Definitely should have done it the right side up way. I'm kind of regretting doing it upside down, but it was also taped this way, so I don't know what else I was supposed to do. Nice quality styrofoam here. We've got a control box here. Some sort of wire. It's probably a remote control. It's like a heavy metal bar. It's nice looking. Feels like it's made out of lead. This is a second metal bar. Also feels like it's made out of lead. Jeez. Okay. This is one of the posts, and this is definitely the one of the heaviest parts of it. Probably also made of lead. We'll do the straddle technique here. And this looks like the motor of the desk. Also heavy. Probably made of lead. The box is still pretty heavy, so I'm guessing they left me some sort of surprise in there. I like surprises. Oh yeah. Y'all getting this? All sorts of goodies in here. First we got another metal bar. Check this out. It's metal bar times 2. Why stick with metal bars when you can have a metal pole? This is a good looking metal pole with some sort of drive chain. Okay, I'm ready. Take it. Yeah. Oh. Okay, this is another heavy thing, also made of lead, probably. Okay. Because you don't have tools. And they give you the tools. It's good to know. All the things that they give you. They also give you some paper to recycle, so you can make the planet a better place. So I'm definitely going to recycle this. Thank you for that opportunity. Some more styrofoam. Some cardboard pieces. Also comes with this box. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Have fun with this thing.